These lemon bars are delicious. You can make them too with these quick and easy steps. But first we're going to need to get some ingredients. You're going to need some powdered sugar, 4 eggs, some baking powder, 2 sticks of butter softened, lemon juice, some measuring cups and teaspoons and tablespoons, some bowls, flour, and sugar. First, you have to preheat the oven to 325. Wait, let's check for dirty dishes. Oh, there's some in here. Can't burn those up. Okay, now we preheat the oven to 325. Now we start mixing our ingredients. Is it soft enough? Okay. Now that we have our 2 sticks of butter here in our pan, we have to get 2 cups of flour, 1, 2. Okay, now we have to get a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, also known as confectioner sugar. Now we mix this together. Still mixing here. Make sure it's mixed together good. Can't have floury bottom crust. Okay, now we're going to press our mixture into the bottom of our pan. Your pan is supposed to be a 9 by 9 or an 8 by 8, but we don't have one, so we're using a 10 by 7. So now, take this. Now that we have our mixture pressed into the bottom of the pan, we are going to bake it in the oven for 15 minutes. Be careful not to touch the sides of the oven. Timer for 15 minutes. Now that we have the bottom baking, we put the eggs in this bowl and we're going to beat them up. There's 4. We have our eggs beaten, so we're going to add our 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and our 6 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix this up. Okay, now we're going to add our sugar while we mix it in slowly. This is 2 cups of sugar. We're also gonna add 1 tablespoon of flour. Now mix it well and wait for your crust to be done. Okay, Now that our bottom crust is baking, we have to take it out of the oven very carefully. Make sure you don't touch it, it's very hot. Okay. Now, make sure this is mixed up good enough. And we're going to pour it into our crust. In the recipe it says pour it in, all out. Scrape the sides of that bowl and get it all in there. Okay, make sure it's even and pound on the table and lightly shake. Okay, now that we've shaken, we can put this back in the oven for 40 to 55 minutes. While it's in the oven cooking, you might want to clean up the mess you made so no one gets mad and has to do it for you. Now you can cut it while it's warm. Let it cool down a little bit first though, so it's not too warm when you cut it. Then dust it with some powdered sugar lightly. And there you go, lemon bars. Now you too can make some with these quick and easy steps. They smell good.